Okay, this is the final video, not final video, of the tag team competitions. It is Rogue Wave, Colombia and France versus Jairo, Japan. Tag team final. Final video for the either under 18 battles start or the solo battles or eliminations. Sorry, starts. So we're gonna go in the heavy heart or whatever quote. We're gonna go in with the most out of this. We're gonna see what will happen. Good luck to both of them. We're gonna watch.
Let's begin.
Hit him with the glitch.
Are you ready?
준비 desu ka?
The finals.
First up, ooh la la,
Ooh la la!
give it up for Rogue Wave.
Let's begin.
Hit him with the glitch.
River Collapse, Rogue Wave versus
続いては
from Japan.
日本から
Give it up for Jairo.
Hit him with the glitch.
Why is Dante at the back? Just like back there. Tag team
Are
final.
you ready for the tag team finals? Not good enough. Are you ready for the tag team finals? We have Jairo versus Rogue Wave. Jairo won the coin toss, chose Rogue Wave to go first, battling for $15,000, the title of GBB Champions 23. Let's get into it. I say the trois, you say the deux. No, left, right, side to side, everybody. In trois.
Duh! Beatbox! Oh my god! Oh. Yeah, of course, with the car on LM.
Put your motherfucking hands up.
Oh! Ooh, they went aggressive for the first.
Switch.
Oh my god, the Japanese crowd.
I sent you flower, did you even care? You ran the shower, left them by the stairs.
Oh.
Tell me why the shit together that time I was born. You were nothing but those scars. Destination like you once was. I know you think you're such an outlaw, but you got no show. You were nothing but those scars. This ain't nothing like you once was. I know you think you're such an outlaw.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Switch.
Is how they gonna go on there? What? Oh my god! What? Oh! I can't.
Switch.
I can't. Okay. Oh frick, Spock Stevenson? Oh my god, they're doing their thing.
So listen up, keep your ears to the ground. Don't look at any mistake now. I'm the dude with the donkey crown.
Oh my god, they did this?
I am letting my spirits down, 'cause I'm much better than macho.
Oh my god, they did it.
I'm the dude with the donkey crown, and I ain't gonna be taken down. Yeah.
Ooh, let's go.
So choose something to believe in. You know we give life its meaning. No, if I search my feelings, I don't know.
Yeah, that's a final! That's a final! That's a fucking final, baby! Yes! Oh.
Rogue Wave, Jairo, that was the finals. GBB 23, make some noise for the tag team finals.
I want to give it to Rogue. I want to give it to Jairo so badly. I want to give it to
Now it's time
Jairo
to
so
find out who
badly.
the champions are. The winners, once again, will be going home. From the bottom to the top, right now, GBB 23, live and direct in Tokyo. Your tag team champions are... Rogue Wave!
Rogue Wave.
Let's begin.
Twice. Twice. I wanted to give it to Rogue Wave, so I wanted to give it to Jairo so badly.
Ooh la la!
Yeah, it looks like Rogue Wave won.
But making it all the way to second place, can you please make some noise for Japan's own Jairo?
They deserved it. They deserve it, but
An
Rogue Wave
incredible
won.
feat.
What's up everyone, we are Rogue Wave. Thank you so much for watching our videos at the GBB. You can follow social media as I go.
Oh, jeez.
BBX on Instagram. And I'm Collapse BBX. See you soon.
Please beatbox.com and our beatbox community.
Thank you.
Oh my god. I wanted to give Jairo so much. I wanted to give it to them so much, but it looks like Rogue Wave won that one. They both was really good and they were so on point. Both of them were so on point. The first one and the second round. The reason why I wasn't as, surprised at the second round is because I've already watched the cover of it, their official cover, not their battle cover, but their official cover on their actual YouTube. I've watched it before. It was nice because it was properly produced, like the BBU where they do a take and then they substitute some stuff out by dubbing over it with multiple sounds, dubbing over with their sounds. In this, where they did it one take, they did it really, they practiced that probably so much. They did it in one take and that was awesome, and not a lot of mistakes. I couldn't even tell some of the difference. Sure, maybe some off-pitch cue stuff and also some distortion, like mic clipping, them doing like and but that's it. That's literally the only part I would think that was somewhat different. But again, it's really hard to tell, and this was live. This was one take live. The first round was good. It was really good, but I guess it was just overshadowed by the Rogue Waves. First round, I guess, was too powerful. I guess there was too much singing happening on Jairo's point and not a lot of technicality. The reason why I'm saying at this point is because I'm trying to find mistakes here, reasons why Jairo lost and reasons why Rogue Wave won. Rogue Wave just won because they have good musicality with the forefront of having good technicality. I'm trying not to say here. Yeah, they have good musicality and upfront with their amazing technicality from both of them. Zeroed in the win for Rogue Wave, where Jairo doesn't really have lots of technicality, but they have lots and lots of coordination for both of them. They are amazing artists, both of them. On Jairo's part, they were amazing, but I guess Rogue Wave just stole the win off of them. Jairo comes second place, but I wanted to give it to Jairo. I wanted Jairo to win, in all honesty. They had such an amazing... If Rogue Wave did not participate this year, Jairo would have won. And maybe if they don't participate next year, Jairo step up their game next year, Jairo's gonna win next year probably as well. But yeah, that is the tag team final. They gave it their all. That's a final for you. But yeah, that's that. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like. That would be greatly appreciated. And hey, if you are new to the channel, hit subscribe. You can unsubscribe whenever you want. It is totally free. If you want to see more videos just like this one right here, or more reactions to the future of solo eliminations or under 18 eliminations, hit the little bell. It should make a little ding noise. I don't know. Go check for me. If you want to follow any of my social media, my TikTok, Instagram, or Twitch, where I live stream, links to those will be in the description below. If you want to donate to the channel to support me directly, to support the channel directly, you don't have to. And if you want to send me a business email, my email and my PayPal will be in the link in the description below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye and see you later.